Hello, my name is Lamin. In this tutorial I would like to introduce something called Java. In this case I have realized that many people are trying to know what is Java and can't really know what is it. Actually Java is a simple coding language that many people think is difficult, but I think it's simple, and I've tried to illustrate it here. It's a code that is used in many places. Many companies use it, many software have been installed with Java, have been coded with Java, and all that stuff. So what I'm trying to do in this tutorial is just a small basic one, how to put or how to output something called HelloWorld. So your first HelloWorld for Java will be done this way. First of all, you need this application, and this application is called Java Eclipse. If you don't know how to download it or decide to go to download it, just come to this site. It's called, you look at it, that's the link to download it. This is where you can download it, whether you have 32-bit or 64-bit. Okay, and if you're having problems in downloading this, just send me a private message on my email, lconte 24gmail.com. I'll definitely reply you with all the useful helps I can give, and if you need any videos or special stuff that you want me to do, I will definitely help you in that. So first thing we do, we after downloading this, after on and everything is working fine. You open your application you say, wow, everything is fine. Actually, it gives you a welcome stuff, and it tries to welcome you in Java. But I have been using this application for a while now, and there's no welcome stuff. So, these are my projects that I've done in Java. But we are not interested in that. We are interested how to create an Hello World Java. First thing we do is File, New, Java Project. In Java project we call it a name, so we're gonna call it tutorials, meaning anytime we're doing tutorials are all gonna be saved in this folder. Saved it, and that's it. It's not displaying nothing. Why? Because that is just a folder. It's just a project folder. So in this SRC, it's much more important because the codes are almost encoded everywhere, and all the codes you're going to be encoding are all going to be based in this SRC. And this SRC also, something is in this SRC, okay, and that is called the class. Actually, the class is one of the most important thing, because without a class you cannot actually write your code, because so class gives you the opportunity to write your code as much as you want. So this is new, so I'll go back, do it again, SRC, right click, you got new, you got class, you click on class, and it's giving you to do two things. Okay, first of all, it just came straight here. It says create a new name, so we need to write a name. So our name will be Hello World. That's what we're doing. Hello. Okay, Hello World. And then one thing we need to do is, you can either leave it like that and just finished it, or you can just change that, because what it's telling you is your package here is gonna be set as default, and we don't want that. We want it to be as Hello World, written as Hello World. So Hello World. Okay, I did this intentionally by making this as a capital, so that you can see what it's telling you here if you can read. So it's telling you this package name is discouraged by okay, so I'll just make the story short for you. It's telling you that that's not the right thing to do. Okay, so you're gonna put a smaller h or whatever letter. So what it's trying to say is, whenever you're creating a package, try to make the first letter of the package be a small letter. Capital letters are not the best thing starting with in a package. Okay, So we come here and I'll explain this to you in a bit. This is a public static. What is a public static? A public static is basically the place which gives you the possibility to encode your code. Okay, without a public static, we cannot actually put our code in. Okay, unless some people, some computer geeks, okay, will just just not click it, will just forget about it and finish it. And when they finish it, and when they finish it, they need to write themselves the public static. Okay, themselves need to write it because they memorized it. But we don't know it. We want to know it. We have never done programming, so we have never done Java, so we want to know Java. We want to know how to write it. So first of all, we cannot do this complicated stuff. We just want it to show us how to do it. So how to do that is just forget about whatever code you're saying, whatever it's saying here. Just click on that and forget about the rest, and just say finish. And you'll see it will give you a chance. It's coming a bit. It's loading. Let's give it a chance. Okay. So we say a public static is giving you the chance to write anything you want inside this. So you can write from here to here to here. So if you cannot pass those points, okay. So in this case, it's wrong because I was just trying to basically show you what to do. So first of all, I always like making comments while making programming. So I'll just do this, and you will see it gives you it knows that you're doing a comment, so it closes the bottom line for you. So you just say our first hello world. Let's just say our first hello world. Okay, our first hello world. Okay, and we can add like tutorial tutorial 1, something like that. Okay, how do you display this? Okay, this code that I'm coming to write, I don't want you to confuse yourself about it. Say, what the hell, what is that? Why can't he explain to me better than this? Okay, actually you don't need to know anything about this code. Only thing you need to know about this code is used to print out anything you want to print out in Java. Most of the time this is the code that is used to print out. So you don't need to know what's the meaning of the code. What you need to know is, what is this code used for? It's used just to print out something, anything. Okay, that is how it is written. System, don't forget the capital always as system dot out dot print line, in that, in quotations, and that. So actually, if I tell you that the code is done, you'll not believe it, but we have done everything. The only thing we need to do is, in this quotation, we need to write hello world. Okay? Let's prove that if I'm wrong or I'm right. Okay, look at it here. I don't know whether you guys are seeing it, but I can see that here is hello world. Can you see it? Because I can see it. So it gives you hello world. So this is actually a way of doing Java, and this is actually how to display something like hello world. I would just like to briefly explain just one thing. You see this thing called print. Okay, print line. What this print line means is telling print it in the next line. Print next line. What if I say print? Okay, sorry, let's leave the print line. Okay, I just want to show you what it's gonna do. Because only writing one sentence, it will not basically, you will not know what it's really doing. But if I do 2 lines and you play it, you'll see the other one comes down. You see, it comes down. You see, but just do this. Let's take those ln out and just say print, and then we come here, we take out, we say print. Just check it out. Look at the difference. You see? Can you see the difference? What is this doing is printing everything in one line, And what is print line doing is printing it in one line. So you say, I hope this helps, and if you have any problem, don't forget to contact me, and anytime. I'll just try and briefly explain how we do this. This is our package. We remember we said our package always start with capital a little h, all small, any letter but I should be small. So hello world. So that's our class. I told you everything is encoded in our class, and also everything is encoded in the static. So always don't worry about saying I'm a computer expert, I know much, I am proving to know that I'm a computer expert. Let me just write this public static void. It doesn't matter. Java is simple. It's doing everything for you. So just click on that little button that I showed you before, and it's gonna generate it for you. So you're just gonna write your code. So what did we do? We just put the code in. So I hope this helps, and thank you. See you in my next video.